The following message is transmitted at the request of the County Emergency Management Agency. This is an immediate evacuation order for the town of Mill Creek. A breach has been reported at the Mill Creek Dam. Rapid and life-threatening flooding is imminent. You are in immediate danger. Evacuate immediately. If you are in the town of Mill Creek, evacuate now to higher ground. Do not delay. This is not a drill. Follow marked evacuation routes to the designated shelter at Mill Creek High School. Do not attempt to gather belongings. Leave immediately. This is a life-threatening situation. Failure to evacuate may result in serious injury or loss of life.